16. Welcome to the only part of the back lot with a 100% chance of rain. The flash flood.
Thank you, Al. All right, and this thunder you hear just a sound effect coming from the speaker. Pretty simple, right? Lightning is a strobe light. And this rain is just coming from some sprinklers. So everything is very, very simple yet very effective. And we have complete control over this weather, everybody. But if you let it go on for too long, you get the flash flood.